Have you ever wondered how rockets move in space, where there's nothing to push against, or why a rifle kicks back when you fire a bullet? Today, we're exploring the principle of action and reaction, a fundamental law of physics known as Newton's third law. So, let's start with a simple definition. Newton's third law states that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. This might sound a bit abstract, but it's actually something we encounter in our daily lives. Consider, for example, when you jump off a small boat. As you leap, your body pushes down on the boat, but at the same time, the boat pushes back on you, propelling you forward. Now imagine a rocket in space. No air or surface to push against, so how does it move? It all comes down to Newton's third law. As the rocket expels exhaust gases backward at high speed, an equal and opposite force propels the rocket forward. The more gas is pushed out and the faster they're expelled, the faster the rocket moves in the opposite direction. This is exactly how a rocket moves in space. The same principle applies when firing a rifle. When the bullet is fired forward, the rifle is pushed backward with equal force. This backward push is what we feel as recoil. It's another real-world example of Newton's third law in action. In summary, Newton's third law of motion, the principle of action and reaction, explains why rockets can move in space and why rifles kick back when fired. This law is a fundamental principle that governs how objects interact and move. Whether it's jumping off a boat, launching a rocket into space, or firing a rifle, Newton's third law is at work, ensuring that for every action, there is indeed an equal and opposite reaction,